Note to self for future reference. Recording 1. Hey Wolf. A few months ago, you tried switching between static and third-person cameras, remember? Back then, we didn't know how to do it, so we used a messy setup with 3 trigger boxes, 2 game modes, and 2 player characters. It was inefficient and got scrapped. But now I've found a better solution. Flip-flop nodes. Flip-flops work like on-off switches. Here's what I did. Created a Boolean variable called camera enabled, defaulting to false. Added a branch node using that variable and connected it to IA_look. Quick reminder. IA_look is the enhanced input action that handles camera rotation with the mouse. How it works. If camera enabled is true, you can control the camera. If it's false, camera control is disabled. Now you might ask, how do we toggle it during gameplay? I added a debug key, Control plus G. Pressing it activates the flip-flop node. On node A, set camera enabled to true. On node B, set it to false. I also added print statements to confirm it's working. And yep, it works. You can now toggle camera control by pressing Control plus G. What if you want the camera to disable automatically in certain areas? Use a trigger box. But don't worry, this time it's way simpler. Just one trigger box is enough. Here's how. Created an actor blueprint with a trigger box. On overlap, cast the overlapping actor to your character blueprint. Use the same flip-flop method inside this blueprint. Place this actor in your level. By default, the camera is disabled. When the player overlaps with the trigger box, it enables camera control. Overlap again, and it disables. Bonus: multiple camera setup. You can add multiple cameras, like a side-scroller and third-person camera, to your character and switch between them using this method. No need to change game modes or characters. It's simple, clean, and efficient.